Hello friends, welcome to Princess Royal Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare delicious fish masala fry in air fryer. This masala fry is very easy to prepare with minimum ingredients. I hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. So let's get started. I have taken some of the spices, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of tamarind concentrate, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of oil. Now all the ingredients are mixing together. The paste is ready now. If you feel the paste is very thick, you can add little oil and adjust the consistency. Here I have taken golden Pampano fish. You can take any kind of fish. So here I am putting some slits so that when I am applying masala, it will absorb. In this way. I made the slits all over the fish, you can see here in this way. So now I am applying this paste. Here I applied the paste both inside and outside, you can see here in this way. So it helps to absorb the masala to this fish and the fish will be very tasty. Now I am going to marinate this fish around 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes now. I am going to fry this fish in air fryer. Here I have taken some of edible collard leaves and I am going to wrapping the fish within these leaves. The purpose is to enhance the taste and the masala will not spill out inside the air fryer. I am just covering the entire fish in this way. Here I preheated my air fryer around 370 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Now I am going to place this fish into the air fryer and press the fish option button in this way. And it will fry around 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's see how the fish is fried. I'm just removing the leaves. And you can see here, the fish is fried well and also the masala is sticking to the fish. So friends, masala fish fry is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.